How to fix no SIM on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first step you want to do is to turn on the airplane mode. Once done, simply turn back off. After that, the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Scroll down and then head over to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. And then you have to click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. And then once again click on Reset All Settings. It should fix the issue that you have been facing as no SIM. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is switch off your device by clicking on Shutdown and then reopen it. After that, head over to Software Update. In this page, you have to make sure your device is up to date with the software. If not, simply click on Update Now and then update it. Even after that, if you're facing the issue, then what else you can do is take off the SIM from your device and then re-enter it. After that, check whether the SIM is showing or not. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.